вагон.
What is this?
What is this?
Иди сюда, плыви, иди, зайка. Иди, давай, ты мой хороший. Good job! Can you do it? Yay! Come on, puppy! Yay! Puppy!
Let me in, please.
And why am I tied to a stick?
To trigger any explosives Carl might have set for me.
Oh yay! I was sacrificed!
Think I like this little life. Think I like this little life.
Billy. You mind?
Hey, driver, is she?
Who's driving like...
Once he grows up, that bed will no longer be yours. "10 out of 10 enthusiasm, but a 5-inch vertical leap."
You can stuff off. How have you found them? No. Why are you on my bed? Why are you on my bed? No! Stuff off! No, that's...
Good job! Can you do it? Yay! Come on, puppy! Yay! Puppy!
1 crown, 2 queens. What should we do now?
Эх, мелковатый, да?
Давай, Кевин, Бешеный хомячок. Бешеный хомячок.
Kids when they see adults heading out without taking them along.
The door is here.
I think your dog's operating system accidentally.
It's a Poe call.
Oh, that's a Poe.
Alfie? You like to play a game? Want to do high five? Okay. Gizzy? High five.
Ooh, yeah, that looks
No,
good.
not you, Lola. What
I dare you not to laugh.
Eloise, you little hoe bag, you get back.
If I were you, I'd never get bored with watching this every day. Peak potato energy right there. You better watch out.
Try this if you like it.
Forget diamonds. This dog found the ultimate premium river rock.
Try this if you like it.
Oh! I'm so sorry I said that.
Oh, that's a po.
Murder. Well, hello.
Oh, there she went. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Is she okay?
Dragon.
Tommy.
Let me in. Let me in. Has the zoomies, right? And right now, it's his bone that's not listening.
You know what you're doing right now? You're pissing.
This is how we sit in the car at Jackson School. Mari, you're too damn big.
What did you do to your ears? Stop chewing. No, stop it. What is this? Oh God.
Life here. Where are you going? Eloise? Eloise, your daddy.
Ready, set, go.
Billy, what happened?
Abo, wait, Abo.
Happy birthday to you. No! Me! No!
Эх, мелковатый, да?
Understand this is just the start. Stay strong, girl.
Game us!
Forget diamonds. This dog found the ultimate premium river rock.
Come on.
A peaceful protest against corporate America. No work, only pets.
You gotta let me go, buddy.
You know what you're doing right now? You're pissing.
No.
Why am I tied to a stick?
To trigger any explosives Carl might have set for me.
Oh, yay! I'm a sacrifice!
Hey, bro, sit down. Sit down.
This is how we sit in the car at Jackson School. Mari, you're too damn big.
Girl, it's okay. It's okay.
Come on, bring your Bubba. Come on. Good boy. Get your Bubba. Good boy. What are you doing? No!
Looks like someone's also getting ready for their date.
No, you've got. Can't go any lower. I think so.
The doggo on the couch has muted the notification settings on his lives.
Que estoy solito, no hay nadie aquí a mi lado. No habrá problemas hoy, de mí ya se han burlado.
Tell your mom, okay, Dallas? Don't tell her.
There, because he loves the window. How you doing that, buddy? Have any friends out there?
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt.
I can.
Slow down!
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Better grab the organic salmon flavor kibble.
Say, spin. Other way. Sit. Paw.
You better watch out.
Get it! Yeah! Hey, boys. Mom and Daddy are going to go bye-bye in a couple hours. Sissy's going to come over for a couple days this week. But tell everybody have a good week.
What did you do to your ears? Stop chewing. No. Stop it. What is this? Oh, God.
Squirrels per tree, there might be more. There's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels, and I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2.
Давай, Кевин, раза...
What is this? What is this? What did you do? Did you eat all?
Alan, are you mad at me?
Bro thinks he's intercepting a surface-to-air missile. Behold the look what I did walk of him. Should I clap? Looks like the department just hired a new water pump intern. He's brave.
So, Jerry, what are you thinking about those lickables? Eh? Are they pretty good? Eh? They're pretty good.
The doggo on the couch has muted the notification settings on his live.
Oh, sick touch. Oh!
When Lost Dog leads you to 10 more lottery wins. Someone needs to learn more about personal space, man.
Sully, down this way. Sully, Sully, Sully.
Go on. Go on. Go on.
Right, come on.
Blooper!
Little bear. It's getting a little ridiculous.
Say, spin. Other way. Sit.
Huh?
Alan, are you mad at me?
Bro thinks he's intercepting a surface-to-air missile.
Hey, driver issue.
He's driving like.
Billy, what happened?
Little bear. It's getting a little ridiculous. Come on.
A peaceful protest against corporate America. No work, only pets.
You gotta let me go, buddy.
Did the dog reboot itself out of nothing?
Иди сюда, плыви, иди, зайка. Иди, давай, ты мой хороший.
I love you.
No way.
Has it, one wants it, and so we just play together. They both have the ball.
The classic downward dog, upward butt maneuver.
Get under the deck. That thing is literally in your eye. I cannot afford to have your eye. Anthony. Thank you. Okay. Okay, but. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. Oh.
Этого делать. Дэнни, не залазь на диван. Мама только что его очистила от твоей шерсти.
Really?
That's some impressive leash control. Future dog trainer right there. You scratch me, I scratch him. It is what it is.
Whoa. That's cool. Wow. That's very...
It's.
One fake spray and she totally committed to a Shakespearean death scene.
Carlos Alejandro González, María Lucia Mendoza, Macarena Chipotle, Tapatio con queso, guacamole Ferreira, Santiago Rodriguez, but everybody calls.
Guys, sometimes you gotta understand that victory is heavy. Grandpa has officially been promoted to primary beach buddy.
Brittany, calm down.
Owed a bit of an explanation as to what's been going on whilst I've been out. Hetty, what have you been...
You like to play a game? Want to do high five? Okay. Gizzy? High five.
The classic downward dog, upward butt maneuver. And I am.
Good.
You are the only thing holding together my mental health.
Tell your mom, okay, Dallas? Don't tell her.
Did something get stuck?
A este perro, hijo de madre mío.
Oh my god!
Good.
he turned the bathtub into a chamber for his favorite toy.
Henley.
Она молодец. Она молодец.
Someone needs to learn more about personal space, Mum. Two kids in the same house always seem to have opposite personalities.
Hey, girl, what do you got?
Whoa. That's cool. Wow. That's very...
What's going on? What's happening? Bring out. Oh, are you having fun?
No need for any fancy ice rink or skating shoes, he's scored a 10.
Touch. Don't touch. Don't. Oh. Oh.
Who's a good girl? Who's a good baby?
Did something get stuck?
Kids when they see adults heading out without taking them along.
There, because he loves the window. How you doing that, buddy? Have any friends out there? Come on, get here. Get here. Come on. Come on.
Oh, shit.
Wondering why your back hurts at 20? Here you go.
Hey! I'm actually gonna wear my pants. No!
This one is clearly confusing the field for a swimming pool.
Murder. Well, hello.
You want to get in that chair, huh? She ready to lay down in that chair.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
A baffled traffic cop trying to stop a speeding vehicle liked
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Again, use your body weight to push the dough into itself. You might have to add a bit of flour until the
I love you.
Wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest?
Well, I've seen some beauty shots, but none better than that eye view right there.
You were busy. Look at all your socks. You're such a productive boy. Yeah. Dude. Oh my God. Okay.
No, that's not
Hello? Saw your feet pictures. Oh.
he turned the bathtub into a chamber for his favorite toy.
I love to get in breakaway dresses.
She's gonna bite you. She's gonna bite you. She's gonna bite you.
What's wrong, man?
Yeah.
Did the dog reboot itself out of nothing? Better grab the organic salmon flavor kibble.
Where you going? ¿Te volvió a subir?
Sí. Míralo.
I think tug of war is just a natural thing that they learn how to do.
Zeke, I'm behind you. I'm behind you, bud. Turn around.
Hey, puppy! Where you going?
To see if I give a fuck, you know?
S'il vous plaît.
Get in the bottom. You can't get in. No. Get in, the cock's turning. No, I'm sorry. That was a big yawn. Try and keep him at it. He's trying to record it. Oh, bless you.
Blooper.
Two kids in the same house always seem to have opposite personalities.
Let me in. Let me in.
Mister. Diesel, you already had your treats.
The Thigh Master 3000.
I think your dog's operating system accidentally...
Come on, bring your Bubba. Come on. Good boy. Get your Bubba. Good boy.
Sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Skinny, right? That was rude.
Get off me. Итак,
Kelly, who's that?
I don't even want to hear it. No. We've already done everything. I don't even want to hear it. No. We've already done everything.
Sophie and her new toy.
Who is a certified civil engineer assessing the water flow?
A real-life example of the middle child in the family.
Happy birthday to you. No! Me! No!
Hey, bro, sit down. Sit down.
The door is here.
Proof that happiness is just around the corner of a sandhill. Trying to process why the sky is suddenly throwing sticks at him.
Get your shirt. Go get your shirt. Go. Go get your shirt.
Think I like this little life. Think I like this little life.
No!
This one is clearly confusing the field for a swimming pool.
No!
Tornado warning issued. Cat friend questioning all life choices.
S'il vous plaît.
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt.
This one will do everything to show the high commitment gossip. All tasks come after your petting duty, human.
Tubby. Go.
Mister. Diesel, you already had your treats.